Hello little scientists and welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. Kids, have you ever seen a rainbow? Well, you must have. And you must have been amazed by its beautiful and vibrant colors. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. In short, Vibgyor. Do you want to make a rainbow of your own? Well, let's start. From the IntelliSmart box, take out the Dispersion of Light Activity Kit. You'll need the mirror from the kit. You will also need a torch with a white light, a plate and a glass of water from your home. Keep the plate on any table or a flat surface and place the mirror in it, like this. Now remove the protective film from the mirror. Like this. Pour some water in the plate such that the mirror gets submerged in it. Like this. Place some weight on the mirror if it floats. Now switch on the torch and project its light on the mirror underwater, like this. Can you see its reflection on the wall or ceiling of the room? Now place the mirror at an angle with the plate like this. Some part of the mirror should be outside and some part submerged under the water. Now project the light of the torch on the part of the mirror underwater. Adjust the angle of the light with the mirror till you see a beautiful rainbow on the wall or the ceiling. When the light reflected from the mirror comes out at the air-water interface, all its components bend at different angles and thus produce the rainbow. White light is composed of its 7 constituent colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. All the colors have different wavelengths and thus bend at different angles to produce the rainbow. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.